Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about opening and reading files, like how to open a file and read it content. We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's copy this code and let's paste it create a new file into our project. So files.py file name first we have to create. First of all, how to read a file, basic file reading. This is the file path you have to mention. So whatever path it would be. So here, let's create a file over here. Okay. And add some of the text, right? So example.txt, I'm going to create that file, example.txt. Okay. The file is created. I can type anything over there. Okay. So anything you can just type it over here. Okay. Just save it. Right. First one, basic file reading, file path. Then open the file in a read mode. So first of all, you have to open the file in a read mode. So R for the read mode with open. With the help of with open, you are going to open the file. This is the file path, right? As a file. Read the entire file content. So this will help you to read all the content of the file, file.read, and print the content. So I can just write a one line. Hello, this is Rajnikant. Okay, simple content. Okay, then read the file line by line. So this will help you to read the file line by line. For line in line, print line, and strip to remove the new line character. Okay, so if I put enter this one, hello guys, how are you? Okay, so let's run this code, opening the file and read the file line by line. Okay, just save it. Let's try to run it with the Python 3 files.py. So the contents that we are reading, hello, this is Rajnikant, how are you? Both are there, and this is by doing the line by line. Okay, so read the file line by line. With the help of this, you are going to read the file line by line, and this is you want to read the entire file content. So just file dot read will help you to read the entire content. If you want to go with the line by line, so you can use this method for line in file. So line dot strip to remove the new line character. Whenever there is a new line character, it's gonna be strip that one and read that line by line code. Okay, so this is how you are able to opening and reading the files. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.